Okay, so here we are again in another video, and well, today we had mm, one of the most important days of the year, as today United States changed the interest rates after a year, yeah, probably, of them having it. So I think, yeah, they lowered 0.25 points, and that's why the market reacted like this. Okay, so the XY started going up. I didn't really see nothing today on the XY, so yeah, today is gonna be a short video because there's not a lot of things to see. So for example, this previous daily high, I had it marked up. I don't like these weeks. Usually the market takes these weeks, so maybe we see some, yeah, some movement to the contrary. And well, as you can see, no trades here, of course. GPU, I had both things marked up, and well, um, it just took previous daily high and H1 BOS later on. Then USD Okay, so I was looking for a sell here. Let me show you. So first of all, we had the same liquidity as these past days. Break of starter to the upside, relevant liquidity on H1, previous weekly low. So these reactions were not clean for me. Had a break of structure here, so previous daily low and relevant liquidity on H1. And we had one of the patterns that I love to see. So it took the previous daily low and relevant liquidity on H1 with a wick, and then break of structure. So I know that here we have liquidity, like relevant liquidity on M5, and I was waiting for this to be taken. I expected this to be taken with the New York timing to look for buys, but it just created all this buyers liquidity to take them out with news, and then with the speech it started going up again. Okay, so nothing I could trade here. USDCHF, I didn't even look at USDCHF as well. We had no break of structure to the left, no relevant liquidity, so now we have this. Probably this week is going to be a little bit shitty to trade, but well, I just wanted to show everything. In this case, we took everything. Previous daily high and previous daily low. I had this relevant liquidity on H1 waiting here too, which in the end it took. So as you can see, I was waiting for this to be taken and look for buys because it created a lot of buyers liquidity here. Reaction, 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 reaction. All these reactions are buyers liquidity, and well, this move was pretty clear for me, at least taking this on liquidity in H1. In the end, it took all the liquidity, which is good because probably it could mean a continuation to the upside, but I don't like these weeks, so we can see a movement to the downside. Okay, and we even left some previous weekly low here. Okay, so probably we're gonna start going down with the USD pairs, in my opinion. And yep, that's all. Well, S&P 500, we had this round liquidity in H1 here, pretty clear. I didn't enter here as I didn't like it, like with these weeks and everything. I didn't like it, so I don't fucking care. I don't trade it, and probably, well, in this case, we broke structure here and then took this liquidity here. Okay, so well, it left all this week, which it cleaned a lot of longs probably, but as I always say, I don't like these weeks, and I think that on the daily chart, yeah, in my opinion, we will go down. We will go down at least here. at least minimum, because here we have RAM liquidity. Not sure about that, but probably the RAM liquidity is here. Well, it's daily, but yeah. And if not, we can go down here, probably. Okay. So, well, this is what I understand. But yeah, I think so. And we will see. And my only trade today that I took, I don't know if I moved the line. Yeah, probably yeah. The only trade that I took today, well, two trades. First of all was on Link. I don't know why I can see the trade here. Why can't I see this? Well, well, my trade was like this, more or less. Yeah, like this. And um, when it broke this, here I put break even, and I wanted to close break even. I wanted to close a partial, but I wasn't looking at the chart. Then the news started, so break even hit, and then moved to the upside. And to finish today, I traded Ethereum to, well, in this case, we took previous daily high, breakout structure to the downside with a wick. So I like this round liquidity on each one to be taken. We took that on M5, breakout structure on M5, and movement to the downside to 1 to 2.5. And my TP was on the open day price. Okay, so well, I hope you like it and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.